The greatest doctor isn't me. It's not your medical doctor. It's not your orthopedic doctor or your internal medicine doctor. The greatest doctor is the one that lives right here inside of you. The one that starts here and runs and flows through your body. And if you're not expressing health right now, if you're struggling, if you're going through that low season, maybe you just need help nurturing and supporting that doctor. When I was younger, I struggled personally with my health. I had a difficult time breathing. I had really bad asthma. I had severe allergies where I would swell up all over the body, eyes would puff up, and I would get these allergic reactions. And when they tested me, I was allergic to literally everything under the sun. So I was on 2 allergy medications, 2 different asthma inhalers, nasal spray, and I continued with that from when I was roughly 3 years old all the way up until 17, going on 18. So my childhood, I never had that thing that I'm so passionate about, which is health, you know, and it's a birthright. You're born with it, and somewhere along the way, just like when you're a kid, you believe you can do anything and be anybody, and somewhere along the way, someone tells you you can't. Well, with our health, and with me particularly, I never really had a choice because I didn't know any better. I just started expressing the symptoms and there was something wrong with my body. But all the way throughout my childhood, struggling to breathe, not being able to play sports, there wasn't ever a doctor that was helpful to show me what the cause was. It was always another asthma inhaler, another medication, allergy shots that I started doing for upwards of 4 years. And then finally, when I was 17, I got x-rays taken on my spine. First chiropractic visit, the chiropractor showed me right there in the upper part of my back, there was this curve bending to the side. And it was the first time I ever had a doctor sit there, tell me with boldness and confidence, this right here is what's causing your asthma. And it was a huge eye-opening experience for me because at that point in time, I started losing my hair. I was born with curly, thick locks of hair, and my hair started falling out because my body was so toxic from the medications that I was taking. And so every morning I wake up and I look in the mirror, seeing me not having hair, not having eyebrows, eyelashes. It's called alopecia. I have no hair on my body. And then darker rings around my eyes. It's a continual reminder of what I overcame. And so fast forward now, 3 months after seeing that doctor, following through with the recommendations, making my visits for adjustments and starting to actually take care of my spine, my body healed from the inside out. And I threw away my asthma inhalers, I threw away my medications, I stopped doing the allergy injections, and literally haven't looked back since that point in time. That's why I founded Stronghold Health, so that I would have the ability, through the practice of chiropractic care, of influencing every single person that I can possibly. Brain, spinal cord, and nervous system is the most important in that hierarchy. I can live 40 days without food, 7 days without water, 5 minutes without oxygen, but you can't live a single second without nerve supply. It's the most important thing. Chiropractic care, when it's done properly, allows your brain to fully and truly communicate through your nervous system, like wires, coming out to all of the organs, every single cell, tissue, and organ in your body, so that your body can function, heal, and design the way that it's supposed to. One of the most amazing things that we get to see take place with patients is when their body starts to heal and work the way that it's designed to, the pain they came in with, it's not about the pain going away, it's about them being able to do the things that they love. And that's my favorite thing, is when I have a patient tell me, I haven't been able to tie my shoes in 2 years. Such a simple thing, like being able to have the joy of bending forward without the pain, tie their shoes, or better yet, I was able to stoop down and actually pick up my grandson the other day. Like, that's incredible. And for me, that's really what it's all about, is making that difference in people's lives so that they can live the quality of life that they were called and truly designed to live. If your body is able to heal and your body is able to overcome, your body itself is literally a miracle. And that miracle, sometimes it needs support, sometimes it just needs nurturing. And sometimes it needs less intervention and it just needs to flow and function truly the way that it was designed to. My wife and I, we just had newborn baby, little Axton. He's just absolutely incredible. Anybody that's had their first child, I'm sure you guys can relate to this, but I mean, here it is, this bundle of joy, this amazing kid who never needed any help from the outside, formed in the womb, one cell, now 78 trillion cells, and out comes this like beautiful baby boy. The very first thing I did was actually check his spine, because I knew it was the most important source of vibrance in life. I'm Dr. David Hausman, and I founded Stronghold Health in 2014. And the reason why I founded this clinic with the name is it has sentimental value and meaning to me. This clinic, my mother left me after she passed away from cancer just enough money, in fact almost the exact dollar amount based on a business plan that I had done in chiropractic school to open this clinic. Stronghold, every time I drive into work in the morning, into this clinic, I don't really view it as being work, I view it as being like life mission and a fulfillment for me where I get to carry out a legacy that my mom left me with. And that's to just simply live for the sake of living, give for the sake of giving, and serve for the sake of serving. Because you know what you're doing can make a positive impact and difference in people's lives.